I made $121,551 in the last 28 days from these 3 YouTube channels, and I'm going to show you the exact blueprint I used. If you want to make real money on YouTube, you're in the right place. Your niche needs 2 things: high view velocity, high RPM, which means how much you earn per 1,000 views. For reference, this channel gets 121,154 views every 48 hours, which shows strong view velocity. In terms of RPM, this channel earns $9.26 per $1,000 views, which is considered high. To help you, I'll show you 3 channels and niches that have both high view velocity and high RPM. 1 channel in the technology niche, 1 channel covering celebrities and TV shows, 1 channel focused on Navy-related content. The next thing you need to focus on is video topics. You want a mix of evergreen videos that continue to get views over time and generate income for months or even years, trending videos that get massive spikes in views but die off once the trend ends. Here's an example.